Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Toyota AYGO. If we go to your music app, you'll see there, click at the bottom there, you just say iPhone. So if we go over to the system, click on the menu button, which is this bottom one, you've got set up there an audio source, onto audio source, and there, it's on FM at the moment. We want Bluetooth audio. Click Bluetooth audio. And that's it, it's showing Rolling Stones Last Time, and there you go. It showed up on the system. That's how you stream audio. That's if it's not connected already.